Yaki straight is giving realistic. It should be called realistic straight. Because this spring and summer, my hair, my leave out will not perish. My leave out will not be poofing up somewhere at a party or event, okay? Like, the Yaki straight is gonna give you the straight that you need without having to get the straight that you need on your hair. You feel me? Alright, y'all, let's get right into this video because we need to get our hair done. I'm really excited to have a Yaki straight wig from UNICE Hair. I love UNICE. I have been working with them and buying from them for over 5 years now, so I do give them a 10 out of 10 like stamp of approval for affordability, the quality of the hair, and just everything you need. But let's talk about this wig. Let's go ahead and get inside this box. Inside the box, you do have your goodies. This is normally the lace band, the wig cap, some nails. Okay, nails, I see y'all. And we have the wig. So I'm looking at it. It is lightly pre-plucked. It's pre-cut. So really all we should have to do is install it on our head, right? Great lace space. You can add the adjustable strap. It has a combs. And she's ready to be put on. This is a close-up at the Yaki straight texture. Y'all, it's not kinky straight to where it's a little harder to manage. That Yaki straight gives you the feel of natural hair while still being a little textured to give it that realistic look, especially if your hair texture is like this. It's shakeable, it's movable, and I think it's gonna look like my hair. What do y'all think? We're gonna go ahead and install it and see just how much it looks like it. Now I know I need to go ahead and take this hat off. I got the hat on because my hair needs to be done. So let me just do a quick little transition. Yeah, I had to, y'all. We looking a little I do have my hair in a low ponytail underneath. So this is literally one of those easy installs because anybody got time for all that right now. Before I add the wig cap, I like to show how the hair looks before I add any foundation, lace tint, or anything. It looks very good, but can you see like that ashy look near the start of the wig? That's just because we needed to get it our skin tone. So if you are of a lighter complexion, you'll probably be fine. But this is the step that you want to go in and add your foundation shade or some lace tint. I've been using the Ruby Kisses, but honestly, it's time for me to go a shade darker now that we're getting into spring and summer months. But this will still do what it do for now. And this is how it looks after I went in with some of my foundation shade. As y'all can see, it's not ashy no more. It's going straight to my skin tone, and I love that for me. I did just add the wig band, so that was easier to install. And now we just got to put it on our head. This wig is snug as a bug under a rug. Okay, this is one side kind of lightly straightened, and we're gonna go ahead and straighten this side on camera to get it like this side. So this is how the hair looks straightened. This is the perfect length. If you want to cut it, you can. But I like how it looks like it could be my hair. This is literally the same length as my hair right now. Like, let me insert a clip. This is how my hair looks. So I can literally get a silk press without having to silk press my hair. So protective style, yes. You see that check mark? Yes. Shout out to UNICE Hair. All the information on this hair will be down below, so please feel free to check it out if you're interested. Yaki straight is giving realistic. It should be called realistic straight. Because this spring and summer, my hair, my leave out will not perish. My leave out will not be poofing up somewhere at a party or event, okay? Like, the Yaki straight is gonna give you the straight that you need without having to get the straight that you need on your hair. You feel me? Feel free to check out my TikTok where I'm going to attempt to style this kind of like a panned curl blowout side part look. I don't know. It's going to be giving something to the side with some curls. All right. Let's see how realistic it looks. And I'm at the point where I'm talking too much. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe to my channel to come take off with me. I would love the support and for you to join my community. So yeah, y'all. Shout out to UNICE, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, y'all.